What's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. It is almost 150 days since the first lockdown was announced and everything was closed. Our lives have changed. Particularly the food and hospitality industry, they have been affected so much. So after 100 odd days, we have come out to have a meal outside. We are going to have a dine-in in Hira Sweets. Hira Sweets is an old traditional sweet shop started in 1912. That makes it 108 years old. They specialize in sweets. So apart from the sweets, Hira Sweets also serve breakfast and lunch. And you can get a lot of snacks like kachori and pakoras and various other things, samosas and tea. Today we are going to go in and try their breakfast. We are inside Hira Sweets now. You can see how utmost care they take even when we enter. First, they sanitize our hands and then they take the temperature. They make sure that you're wearing a mask. And when we come inside and sit, you can see the tables are kept far away so that the distance between two tables is about 6 to 7 feet. Everybody is wearing masks, they're wearing gloves, and you're sanitized again when you sit on the table. Water is given in paper cups, and dining is not a painful experience here. They make you as comfortable as possible. So we have ordered some breakfast. We have ordered a couple of breakfast items. We might try more if we are hungry. So we have ordered puri sabji and chole bhature. We are waiting for that. Meanwhile, Hira Sweets has a special scheme going on for breakfast. They open at 8:30 until 11:30. They offer breakfast items, 9 breakfast items for 75 rupees plus taxes. Normally, these dishes would range from 80 to 130 rupees. So you can have a masala dosa, you can have pav bhaji, you can have grilled sandwich, you can have puri bhaji like we have ordered, or chole bhature. But now all these 9 dishes you can have for 75 rupees. So that is why we are here. We want to see how these dishes taste, and we want to invite people. We want to tell people that this place is absolutely safe if you want to come and have breakfast or lunch, because they have taken the utmost care, like I said earlier, to make sure that you are comfortable and you have a happy meal here. ये क्या है? So our first dish is here. That is puri and aloo sabji. The puris are nice and fluffy. They're freshly made. But for me, the main attraction is this balu shahi. Hira's balu shahi is famous, or Hira Sweets is known for its balu shahi, made of maida and sugar. This is what I want to try first. Start the day with tasting some sweets. So I'm going to start my breakfast with this balu shahi, the sweet. It is not overtly sweet, but the taste, the texture of balu shahi is very good. It is soft. You can see the layers inside. So when you taste it, you get that flakiness along with the softness and the sweetness, of course. I have not tasted a good balu shahi for a long time. So this is a pleasant surprise and I'm quite happy to start my breakfast with this balushahi. Now let's taste the puri and the sabji. Let's see whether the puri is stuffed. So if you see the puri inside, you can see a little bit of stuffing which is coating the inside of the puri. This is urad dal piti or the urad dal stuffing. So let me take this puri, take little bit of sabji, and let's taste it now. It is little spicy, but that slight sourness and the mix of masalas is great. It's a nice sabji. It is just not nice. I think it is a great sabji to have it with this puri. I think the sourness of this sabji comes from the tomatoes which you can see. Also, I think there is kasuri methi inside this sabji, and sabji is quite thick. It is a simple sabji made of aloo, tomato and few spices. But this sabji is not the sabji which you get in regular homes. They have added something, or the technique is so good, the flavors have been infused properly, and with this puri, this is an amazing combination. One more bite. This sabji, we make it at home and it doesn't taste this good. So if you come to Hira Sweets, my recommendation is that try this puri, the stuffed puri and sabji, bedmi puri and sabji. They have given some pickle along with the puri and sabji, but I'm not going to try the pickle because this is spicy enough for me. The flavors are quite good. I have ordered a kachori. This is pyaz kachori. Actually, this has got little aloo and pyaz stuffing in this kachori. I've tasted kachori from various places in Rajasthan. The kachoris are fantastic there. In Delhi, it is little difficult to find good kachoris. If you go to Old Delhi, yes, you can find. But this one, which I tasted from Hira Sweets last time, I loved it. It is different from what you get in Jaipur, but we'll taste it again and I'll tell you how this kachori tastes like. It is little hot, so I'm going to break it with a spoon. You can see the steam coming out. Actually, if I had bit this kachori, I would have probably burned my mouth. You can see the steam coming out and you can see the stuffing inside. You can see this beautiful stuffing of the aloo and pyaz, and there are some spices which we don't know. So we'll taste it and see how this kachori is. Oh, I missed it. I think there is some kaju also inside. So that's a bonus. So let's take a bite. The good thing about this kachori is that it is really flaky and soft. It is not hard like many kachoris. And then you get the taste of this masala, the stuffing, which is that aloo and pyaz. The prominent taste is of the pyaz. You can't taste the aloo. But the stuffing is really good, mild, and it kind of fuses with this outer covering of the kachori. They have given two chutneys with this kachori. One is a meaty chutney, there is some anardana on top of it, and one is a green chutney. So my next bite, I'm going to taste it with this sweet chutney. Little bit of this sweet chutney with this anardana and a bite. This time I've taken a large bite. I just wanted to get everything in that bite. The dry fruits, the aloo, the pyaz, and this kachori is also good. It won't disappoint you if you are a kachori fan. Wow, that looks good. अच्छा लग रहा है. So our next dish is here, chole bhature. Just see the bhatura. It is twice the size of my hand, and there are two of them, just not one. And we have nice chole. Just see, couple of sliced green chilies, which I love. I think a piece of fried potato. Just see the potato. There is little bit of pickle, some cucumber slices, and onion rings, onion slices. So let's straight away dig into chole bhature. You can see the inside of the bhatura, just see the stuffing. It looks quite pretty and it is not oily. I am holding it and my fingers are not at all oily. So piece of bhatura and this wonderful chole. This is the bite. This is not at all oily. We have been taking pictures and shooting this for a while, so it has cooled down slightly. If it was slightly hot, it would have been really good. This chole is mildly spicy, not very spicy, but if you want it spicy, they've got this green chili on the top. I'm not going to try it because this chole is mildly spicy and okay for me. Actually, chole bhature in Delhi is quite addictive. Most of the places they make good quality chole bhature, but this one in Hira Sweets, they have taken care that it's not too oily. Given the chole, there is no oil floating on the top and just mildly spicy, and it'll be good for your stomach. Just look at this masala dosa. It is triangular. They have folded it so that it's in a triangle, but it is huge and it's golden. It has got that nice crispy edge which you will love. So let's straight away dig into this. Just see, it is crackling. It's totally crispy and you can see it is breaking into these crispy bits. I'm just going to taste the masala dosa as it is without chutney or sambar. Very, very crispy, and I can get the taste of clarified butter, ghee. Very well cooked, and this is almost the perfect masala dosa you want to eat. Now I'm going to take a bit of it. Just check the masala. Beautiful masala. You can see the aloo, little bit of pyaz, the onion, and one or two pieces of green chili. It is like smeared inside this masala dosa, so that when you take a bite, you get this masala also. I'll dip this dosa in the coconut chutney and taste it. The chutney is fresh, little sweet because of the coconut, but super tasty. I've taken a piece of the dosa now with the masala. Just see the masala. Not too spicy. Like all of the dishes, the balance between the spices and ingredients, like the vegetables, potato and onion, is perfect. The masala dosa is served with the coconut chutney, sambar and a tomato chutney. For the next bite, I'll take little bit of tomato chutney. Fairly okay. And now the sambar, just see. There are vegetables inside and it's fairly thick. I'm going to taste the sambar. Little spicy, it is mildly spicy, but the sambar has got a character of its own. So now I'll take a bite with this dosa with sambar. If you have seen my earlier videos, you know that I'm a sucker for good South Indian food. I regularly have idlis or dosa for breakfast. So after trying the puri bhaji, the pyaz ki kachori, the balu shahi and chole bhature, I just couldn't resist but to order a masala dosa. But I should say that I'm not disappointed. Actually, I'm quite happy that I tried it. It's a good masala dosa. So let me finish this and I will see you after a while. So after finishing that masala dosa, I'm completely full. Actually, I've been quite greedy in ordering that last dish. But all the items which we ate, the puri sabji, the chole bhature, the kachori, the balu shahi, and now this masala dosa, the crispy masala dosa, everything was good. I will strongly suggest that you come to Hira Sweets for breakfast. That is between 8:30 and 11:30, and take advantage of what they're offering. Rupees 75 for these 9 dishes. I hope you have liked this video. We have shown you a lot of food in this video. If you want to see more videos and more food, and if you have not subscribed to my channel till now, do it now. Click on the red button. Also click on the bell button to get the notification. Also, if you have not checked our website www.chompingchampion.com, please do so. I've given the URL right here. We are on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Check us out on all the social media platforms. Till the next episode, bye. Take care.